It's possible to apply for British citizenship following marriage to a British citizen, provided that you can satisfy all the requirements. The requirements are that you must be over 18, be of sound mind, have a good character. That means that there are no serious criminal convictions against you. You must show that you have been in the UK for the last 3 years legally, and that you've been in the UK, physically present in the UK at the start of the 3 years from the date of your application. You must also not be outside the UK for the last 270 days and not more than 90 days in the last year, in the last 12 months. And you must also have passed the Life in the UK test and the English language requirement. In order to prepare for the English language test, you can utilise our practice papers available on the Immigration Advice Service website. The main difference is how long you've held indefinite leave to remain. If you're applying as a British citizen spouse, then you only need to show that you've held indefinite leave to remain on the date of application, or that you hold indefinite leave to remain. And if you're applying as a non-British citizen spouse, then you need to show that you've held indefinite leave to remain for at least 12 months. The residency requirements, if you're applying as a British citizen spouse, is that you must be lawfully present in the UK for at least 3 years before the date of your application, be physically present in the UK at the start of the 3-year period before the date of application, not spent more than 270 days outside the UK in those 3 years, and not spent more than 90 days in the last 12 months. If you're applying as a non-British citizen spouse, then the residency requirements is 5 years. You must be lawfully present in the UK for the last 5 years and at the beginning of the 5-year period from the date of your application, and have not spent more than 450 days outside the UK in those 5 years, and not more than 90 days in the last 12 months. There is no legal right of appeal against citizenship refusal. However, you can apply for reconsideration by completing Form NR. We can assist with your British citizenship application by providing you with detailed advice, advising you on the documentation that's required and assessing those documentation to ensure that they are sufficient. We would assess whether you satisfy the residency requirements and advise you on any additional documents that are needed. We would also draft legal representations to submit with your application, ensuring that it's a strong application, and liaise with the Home Office until a decision is made on your application.